Have you ever made a flip book by drawing pictures on each page to make it look like the images are moving? What if we could do that, but cooler? Hey builders, Daniel from Toybox here, and today we're making the Praxinoscope. A Praxinoscope is an animation device that brings still images to life. It uses movement with a cylinder that spins and mirrors that reflect the images to create the illusion of movement. Let's get animated. First, let's see what's inside your play pack. We've got 2 boards, animation sheets with lots of fun animations, glue dots, 1 bearing, and 8 mirrors. Be careful with those, and that's all. Let me show you how to build your Praxinoscope. Start by carefully punching out the pieces on your board. You'll also need to remove the plastic covering on all the mirrors. Let's customize your Praxinoscope in the creator space. Click on Custom Panel to get started. From here, you can draw whatever fun shapes or designs you want. Get creative. The limit is your imagination. Once you have your drawing, choose a base design you like and pick a color. Name your creation and then print it out. Remember, you'll need 10 total panels to build your Praxinoscope. Print any and all the designs you want. The choice is yours. Now let's continue building. You'll need to attach the bottom board and the top ring together with all 10 panels. Getting them all connected can be tricky, so take your time. It helps to start with 4 panels across from each other and attach the top ring. Then, slowly add in more panels. Eventually, you'll have all of them connected, as shown here. Next, take the top mirror piece and insert the bearing. Now we need to attach all of our mirrors. Gently attach each mirror into the slots of the printed piece. Once you have them all in, you should be able to gently attach the top. Remember, these are mirrors, so take your time and be careful. Next, take the smaller circular board and attach one of the printed bases using the provided glue dots. Watch out, they're very sticky. You can try sticking them directly to the board and then peeling off the paper. You'll only need a few. Using the X on the bottom of the base, center it over the hole in the board. Gently press down to secure it in place. Insert the base peg into the base. Place your assembled boards and panels on top through the hole. And then place on the cylinder. Use glue dots to secure it to the base. For the final touch, make sure to add a handle. We have lots to choose from. Attach it using the handle connectors. Now we need some animations. Choose one of the animation sheets and place it inside the Praxinoscope with the pictures facing towards the mirrors. Use a glue dot to attach it to the panels. Use the handle to turn the mirrors and watch as the pictures move. Want even more customization? Flip over the animation strips and draw your own pictures. I can't wait to see the unique Praxinoscope that you make and your animations come to life with the Praxinoscope Play Pack.